Psychological safety happens when your people are able to ask questions, to clarify, and disagree with your thoughts without the fear of being judged and apprehended by their managers. So, when do you know, as a leader, if your people do not possess that psychological safety or if it's missing in the team? One way to find out is to check how they're able to escalate problems to you. Ideally, people should have a good balance. Whenever they face problems, they do not immediately tell it to people. They have to solve first the problem on their own. They investigate, they ask help from others. On the other hand, when they still couldn't find the solution for it, they should be brave enough to tell it to you because they know that they can only get worse and that they want to say it to you now so that you can give remedy to it immediately. When your people aren't able to share it and they only do it when the problem has gotten so worse, that's when you know that they don't possess any psychological safety.